Salamat Sizbe, and I'm delighted to be back here in Kyrgyzstan, having had a wonderful horse ride through the mountains. And of course, Kyrgyzstan is a hugely valuable partner of the United Kingdom, and we want to deepen that partnership. Last year, we marked 30 years of diplomatic relations, during which time our ties have grown stronger and stronger. Kyrgyz students have been able to study in the UK thanks to the Chevening Scholarship Programme, and hundreds of small businesses and thousands of jobs have been created here with the help of the UK government. And together we want to do even more by expanding cooperation and trade. In a few weeks, the new Developing Countries Trading Scheme is entering into force, which will allow Kyrgyzstan to export more than 8,000 new types of goods to the UK without fees, and also help diversify trade and economic ties between our countries. The UK is a committed partner and friend of Kyrgyzstan. Chon Rahma.